Dahil marami nagre-request and para na rin sa mga planong mag-invest dito sa Urban Deca Homes Manila, here is the detailed explanation of our unit computation. So mag-base na lang po tayo sa aming 2-bedroom unit na 30.6 square meters. Again, let's start with the TCP or the total contract price. Kasama na po dito yung transfer fees, government taxes, and other miscellaneous fees. And good news, meron din po tayong discount on all our units dito sa Urban Deca Homes Manila. The next one is the 15,000 cash out or the amount you need to pay to secure a unit. Again, this is deductible to the total contract price. Take note po, 15,000 lang ang cash out and wala nang down payment or lump sum payment na kailangang bayaran si client. Yan po yung promo natin ngayon. After paying the 15,000 cash out or the reservation fee, that's the time na mag-i-start ang processing ng application mo kay Pag-ibig. And good news, the developer will cover the processing fee for Pag-ibig. The loan process typically takes 1 to 2 months to complete. Pero meron po kaming mga clients na less than a month pa lang na-approve na. After the loan takeout, pwede ka na mag-move in sa unit. By the way, upon move-in, meron lang po tayong babayaran na move-in fee or reconnection fee ng water and electricity. Dito sa Manila, that's 5,500. Pero huwag ka mag-alala kasi one-time payment lang naman ito. The remaining balance is the amount that you will borrow or loan from Pag-ibig. Deducted na po dito yung reservation fee and yung promo discount. And take note, 30 days after the approval date, doon pa lang po mag-i-start ang first monthly amortization mo. Meron din po tayong options kung gaano mo katagal pwedeng bayaran yung loan mo, ranging from 5 years to 30 years. Kung gusto mo na mas mapabilis, pwede kang mag-advance payment direct to principal. So ang effect po nito, bibilis ang loan term mo, at the same time, liliit yung total interest na babayaran mo kay Pag-ibig. By the way, dito po sa computation natin, kasama na po yung mga insurances, specifically yung fire insurance and mortgage redemption insurance. So ganun lang kadali at kasimple yung computation natin dito sa Manila. All in, no hidden charges. And good news, meron din tayo ditong studio unit na mag-i-start sa 11,000 monthly amortization. For more details and if you have questions, feel free to message me on my Viber account or WhatsApp account. Dito po yung number ko sa upper right corner. You can also like and follow my Facebook account. And meron din po kaming free site viewing from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day po. So message mo lang ako para ma-assist kita for free site viewing. So yun lang, thank you sa panonood.